Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to give you some beautiful but easy gift wrapping ideas, plus share with you my gift guide for that hostess in your life. I think most of us have a family member or a friend that just loves hosting. They're always opening up their home for you, and they always cook something delicious and are just a wonderful host or hostess. Today I am sharing with you some Christmas gifts just for them, plus some beautiful DIY ideas on how to wrap those gifts so you can share joy this season. I want to thank TSC for partnering with me on this video and sponsoring this video. You can shop tsc.ca for all of your gift giving needs this holiday season. It's open 24/7. You're going to find so many things for all of your family members and your friends for Christmas this year. There's lots of great deals, and if you're anything like me, you want to skip those busy malls and shop online in your pajamas. I'm going to link some of my favorite finds that I found on TSC in the description box below, so make sure to check those out. There's also great budget-friendly finds there, like their daily showstopper, and you can also pay in installments with their easy pay option. So now let me share with you some gift ideas for that special host or hostess in your life, plus some gorgeous ways to wrap them.
My first pick for a hostess gift from TSC is this beautiful set with the slate cheese board, the Lenox Alpine line, and the Lenox Alpine glasses. I'll leave a link to these in the description box below, along with all of the other gift ideas. I love a good cheese board paired with wine or punch at any party, and I think most hostesses would love this gift pairing. To wrap this one, I'm using some free printable wrapping paper you can find on my blog. I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. You can print it on large paper at your print shop, and I am just going to wrap the glasses in this printable wrapping paper. What I like about this wrapping design is that it's black and white, so it matches with virtually any Christmas decor that you might have. So I'm just wrapping this one up as you normally would any present, and just using some Scotch tape. And then what I'm going to do is I'm putting this on top of the cheese board, because the cheese board is beautiful in itself. And then I'm going to wrap this with a really simple bow. So I measured out some ribbon that was at least 5 times the width of my gift, and then I'm wrapping the top of the ribbon around the entire stack of gifts just like this. Then I am turning the gift clockwise 90 degrees. And then I'm going to turn this top ribbon down at a 90-degree angle, holding the middle with my thumb. Then I'm bringing the ribbon around the top like this, and then I'm taking the piece that I have in my hand and pulling it underneath the entire stack of ribbons. So you have one end of your ribbon down on the bottom right like this, and then one end on the top left like this. Then twist your whole package 90 degrees counterclockwise, and now you're ready to tie your bow. So I'm taking the bottom left piece, I am looping it, taking the top right, looping it around the bottom, and pulling it through just like this. And this makes a really beautiful bow for any sort of present. You could do this on any sort of box or a stacked gift, and then just trim the ribbon off of the bottom of your gift like this, and then you can create a nice little end to your ribbons by folding it in half vertically and then clipping it at an angle. Then to make this look a little bit more festive, I'm putting in some faux greenery that I found at the craft store, and putting in some faux berries as well. I think that pretty much any gift can have some faux greenery and berries on it to make it look beautiful for Christmas time. So here is that finished wrapped gift, and I absolutely love how this one turned out. My next picks for thoughtful gifts for the hostess are a Google Home Mini paired with some delicious festive chocolate selections. For this gift, I've used a selection of Saxon chocolates, and there's lots of different varieties of Saxon chocolates on tsc.ca. I don't know anyone who could turn down chocolate during the holidays, plus we use our Google Home to play music when we entertain. It's such a great product that I'd be excited to give to anybody. Because this one's a collection of awkward shapes, I'm going to sew a really simple gift bag. So I have a yard or so of fabric, and I'm just measuring how big I need to make my bag. So I'm just making sure that it's twice as wide as I need it to be, and then I'm making sure that it's as high as my gift is, and I'm adding about 5 inches on the top, and just cutting out a giant rectangle just like this. Then I'm folding it in half like this, making sure that the right sides are together, and I'm going to sew along the bottom and the side. I'm making sure I'm leaving about 5 inches open on top, because that is where I'm going to have my casing and the ribbon hanging out. So just this much on top I'm leaving unsewn. Then I'm folding those edges over to the inside. I ironed them, and then I stitched them down just like this. Next, I'm ironing the raw edge on top with my iron, folding it over 1/2 inch, and then folding it over again to make sure that I have it big enough to fit my ribbon. My ribbon is about a 2-inch ribbon, so I'm folding it over a little over 2 inches, and then I'm sewing along that fold with my sewing machine. Next, I'm taking some ribbon. This is just a grosgrain ribbon in black. Satin would probably be a little bit easier because it's more slidey. And then I'm taking either a safety pin or a really good paper clip, and I'm pulling the ribbon through that casing that I need. And then just make sure that you have enough ribbon to tie a bow at the end. You can clip it again to make that nice little ribbon bottom if you want. And then I'm just putting all of my presents inside. So my Google Home Mini and my chocolate selections from tsc.ca. And for this one too, you can embellish it with something. So I'm just taking this really cute little deer ornament, I'm putting it on top of my bag, kind of attaching it to the ribbon and tying it shut. I also added some greenery to this one, and it turned out really cute too. Finally, here's my absolute favorite set of gifts to give the hostess in your life, a beautiful KitchenAid mixer with a bakeware cookbook by Rochelle Palermo. These mixers are iconic, and they're such a wonderful tool for anyone who loves to cook or bake or entertain. You can choose a color that matches their personality and then pair it with a cookbook just like this one from TSC. For this present, I thought I would wrap it in a really classic way, brown paper package tied up with string. So I just got some really inexpensive brown paper. I'm just wrapping up this giant KitchenAid box and taping it shut. And then I'm taking just some nice thick twine and I'm tying it around the top and the side just like this. I am just tucking that cookbook right underneath the twine so that it's on top of my KitchenAid and tying a very simple bow. And trimming off the ends, and then I'm adding some more faux greenery, some more faux berries, and a little faux pine cone. And then to highlight the theme of this gift, because it's almost like a baking theme, I'm taking a really pretty little copper cookie cutter and tying that onto the twine with some baker's twine. And that's a really simple way to package this gift.
I hope you enjoyed these gift ideas and these DIY ways to wrap them. Let me know in the comments below which gift was your favorite that you would like to give, or which one was on your wish list. Thanks again to TSC for sponsoring this video and making it so easy for me to shop for my friends and family this year. Make sure to check out the links in the description box below for my favorite finds on TSC, and you can start going ahead and shopping for your holiday gifts in your jammies and with your hot chocolate in hand. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!